Good morning, students. Today we are here to discuss chapter King's Drum. Hope you all will enjoy your day. So, today we will discuss this chapter, the King's Drum. In this chapter, we have already seen that there was a tiger and a mouse deer. Okay, now one day the tiger caught the mouse deer and wanted to eat him. So Mouse Deer played a trick on Tiger and saved his life. Now in this chapter we will see how Mouse Deer saved his life. Let's start the chapter, The King's Drum. Now in this chapter it is written that one day Tiger sees a mouse deer by the river and Tiger jumps and catches him. When Tiger was just roaming around, he saw a mouse deer who was also walking by the river. He caught the mouse deer and wanted to eat him. So Tiger was why? Because Tiger was hungry, so he wanted to eat mouse deer. Now mouse deer became very scared. He was very scared. Why? Because Tiger wanted to eat him up. Suddenly mouse deer sees a beehive above him and he has an idea. He got an idea to save himself. So uh, Mouse deer saw a beehive and he got an idea how he can save his life from the tiger. So Mouse deer said that you cannot eat said to the tiger that you cannot eat me now. I am looking after the king's drum. Now Tiger was very surprised. He thought that what is this king's drum? So he asked the king's drum. So Mouse deer points to the beehive. Why did the mouse deer points to the beehive? Because he has already planned a trick. So mouse deer points to the beehive and said, "Yes, there it is." He told that the beehive is only the king's drum and it makes a very sweet sound. But the king does not want to play and wants anyone to touch it. If anyone will touch it, the king will get very angry. So we should not touch it. But it takes out a very sweet sound. Now the tiger got excited to hear that sound. So he said that I must hear that sweet sound. Let me beat the drum. So Mouse deer said, Mouse deer is trying to excite tiger so that he beats the drum. Okay, so the tiger is also getting excited to beat the drum to hear that sweet sound. So he said that let me beat the drum. So mouse deer said that no, the king will not like that, so you should not beat the drum. Tiger says, once, just once, mouse deer, please. So he pleaded mouse deer and said that the tiger said that let me beat the drum only just once. So mouse deer also wanted this only. So he agreed. He said that all right, but I don't want the king to scold me. So if you want to beat the beat the drum, you can beat it, but I don't want to get the scolding. So let me go away, says the mouse deer. So mouse deer said that let me go away. You can beat the drum. So now tiger was very happy that he can now beat the drum. So he took now what happened then? Mouse deer hides behind some bushes because he knew what was going to happen. So tiger picked up a stick and stood on a rock and he beats the beehive. Buzz. Then when the tiger beats the beehive, the sound came buzz. Now, what is the sound buzz? The sound buzz is the sound of honeybees. Okay, of the bees. Now, the bees in the beehive are very angry. They got very angry when the tiger beats the beehive. So they came out of the beehive and they saw tiger hitting the hive. Now they got very angry on the tiger. So they attacked the tiger and sting him. And the tiger cried, "Oh!" Now the tiger said that, "Oh, now that I am in a big trouble, so what should I do?" So he runs to the river and jumps into the cold water so that the bees do not sting him. So Now Mouse Deer says that, aha, I am safe now. He said he was very happy. Mouse Deer was very happy. Why? Because he was safe from the tiger now. So this way, Mouse Deer saved his life from the tiger. Now we will do some questions related to the story. Here in your book, Enjoying the Story, on page number 78, enjoying the story is given. Let's do the question. The question is, tick the correct answers. There may be more than one correct answer. You have to here is one question given and three options have been given over here. You have to take the correct answer, and the correct answer can be more than one also. So Mouse Deer says the beehive is a king's drum because option A, he really thinks it is the king's drum. He wants to play a trick on tiger. He wants tiger to beat the king's drum. So now the Mouse Deer said that the beehive is the king's drum. Why? Because he wanted to play a trick on tiger. So this is also correct, and he wanted tiger to beat the king's drum. So this is also correct option. So we have to tick both of these boxes because both are correct. Okay. Now, he wanted to play a trick on the tiger, and he wanted that the tiger should beat the king's drum. So both the options are correct. We will tick both the boxes. Now let's see second question. Second question says, do you think Mouse Deer runs away because option A is he does not want the king to scold him, he does not want tiger to eat him up, and he knows the bees will come out and sting. So why do you think Mouse Deer runs away? Mouse Deer runs away because he knew that the bees will come out and sting the tiger. And if he will remain there, the bees will also sting the Mouse Deer. So, and he also does not want a tiger to eat him up. Okay, so he knows the bees will come out and sting. So you will tick this box. Okay, so this was about this chapter, the king's drum. Now today we will also know about action words. What are action words? Now action words are sometimes called action verbs, or they are also called doing words, or we also call them as verbs. verbs, verbs. Okay, so action verbs are those words that express physical or mental action. Okay, action verbs are those words that express physical or mental action. Action words are also called doing words. Just now I have told you. Example, we can say take like sit, stand, crawl, dance, sing, swim, run, sleep. Okay, so all these are action words. They show the action which you are doing. Okay, they show the work which you are doing. So action words are those words that express the physical or mental action. Physical action, like when you are sitting, when you are standing, when you crawl, when you dance, when you sing, swim, run. These all are physical action, and sleep is the mental action. So action words tell us about physical as well as mental action. So the work which whatever work we are doing is represented by action words. Okay, or they are also known as doing words. Now let's see some examples. Play. See, these two boys are playing football. Okay, so they are showing action. They are showing that they are doing some action. They are doing some work. What work are they doing? They are playing. So play is the action word. Then cook. See, this cook is cooking. Okay, so to cook is also an action. When we cook, your mothers cook in the kitchen, that is also an action. What is the work being done? The work is done by the cook is that he is cooking. Okay, so cook is the work. Then run. These two people are running. These two person are running. Now this is also the work done by them. Okay, so the work done represents the action words. Action word represents the work done by a person, okay, or an animal. So that this these two people are running, so run is the action word. Okay, swim. This girl is swimming, so swimming is also a work. Okay, it is done by it is being done by the girl, so swim is the action word. Then laugh. This man is laughing, this is also an action. Read. This boy is reading the book, so this is also an action done by the boy. What work is he doing? He is reading the book. Sleep. This man is sleeping. What work is done by this man? This man is sleeping. So he is sleeping. Sleep is the work done by the man. So sleep is the action word. Bark. This dog is barking. That is, so this is showing the action done by the dog, the work done by the dog. What work is being done? The dog is barking. So these all are action words. Now, today we will see some questions related to action words in your book. Okay, on page number 82. Now, let's see some of the questions. Number one is, we have to see the picture and then tell the action. Okay, so number one is drink. Okay, number one is drink. What is this girl doing? She is drinking water. Okay, so we will write drink, DRINK, drink. Okay, then this girl is hiding behind a tree. She is also showing action, doing some work. She is hiding behind the tree. So we will write hide, HIDE, hide. Then third is beat. This boy is beating the drum. So we will write what work is being done? Beat. He is beating the drum. So we will write BEAT, beat. Then this girl is dancing. So we will write DANCE, dance. Okay, DANCE, dance. Now, what is the work being done by this boy? This boy is swimming. So the work done is swim, SWIM, swim. Okay, so we will write swim because he is swimming. This is the action word. Action word is swim. So hope you have understood this chapter, the King's Drum, and you have understood the questions which we have discussed from this chapter. Hope you have understood the action words. What do action words mean, and what are action words? So hope you have understood everything. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.